If not in a position. Perfect. And then we'll say if not, excuse me, if not self dot position, we'll check the long. Check long. And we'll say if self dot RSI is bigger or smaller than 30 and it's touching the bottom. Now we need to make a function for touching. Then we'll say self.data.df.ilock from the index over, and this looks good. Oops. I don't know what just happened. ilock index. Dang. Index. There we go. And self.buy. But we want to pass in some stuff. So take profit equals self.data.close plus, and that should be capital, close plus self.data.close. Does that look right? Times self, well, let's just write it out just in case. Self.tp perk divided by 100, because we need it in the right format. And then the SL will be self.data.close minus self.sl perk divided by 100. And that's it. So I think we need to go ahead and build out this. Let's check the short. And we need to build out this touching here. So let's see if this is right. It suggests to write that, and that should be the inverse of what I said earlier. And to me, it looks good. So I'm just gonna let it code for me. Pretty fascinating, if you ask me. And then self.sell take profit data minus close, self.data.close, that looks good. Self.take profit percentage, and then divided by 100, and then this is SL equals self.data.close plus self. I actually wrote this one wrong. SL equals self.data.close minus, let me go ahead and fix this one, and then it will probably read it for me. Data.close multiplied by self, yes, self.sl percentage. Okay, now that I fixed that, it'll probably fix it here. So self.data.close multiplied self, yep. So that's pretty fascinating. And this is why I like GitHub Copilot a lot, is because it allows, it kind of reads what I wrote in the other line and then does the opposite. And we'll go ahead and do if not in position, or if in a position already. And I'll come back to that. First, we need to figure out the touching, and we need to make that function. And I think we'll put it in a functions file. And let's go ahead and do that. I have a functions file somewhere here. And this is actually the wrong date, so I'm going to change this. 2.7. Now, where's that functions file? Indicators. Maybe I don't have the functions file yet, so I'll just make one. So let's go ahead and say functions.py. And in this functions file, we'll probably need to make some imports. So let's do that. I think I'll need from date time, import time, and then of course pandas. Import pandas as PD, and then let's make a function for touching. That's what we wanted to build, and we'll pass in the side and then the candles. Missed a key there, and we'll say, let's go ahead and define it. So this is gonna return true if the price is in close proximity to the B band. and then it will, the side parameter